This is what I use in preparing my soup. This is my goat meat, and this is my stockfish. The stockfish and goat meat. You see the goat meat, and this is my dry fish. They call it mpo in River State, and this is my snail, and this is my vegetable we want to use in preparing the soup. Thank you for watching. Oil. This is my water leaf. We call it water leaf here. You see, I'm turning the water leaf and the oil together. That's the first thing we put in the pot. You need to leave it for some time. We have to cover it and leave it for some time. You can see that the water leaf is now boiling. So the next thing we are going to put now is our dry fish. You see my dry fish? You just put it. I don't want to cut it because while you are turning the soup, the dry fish will be scattering. Let me just remove this thing. You see? Even this one, I will give it to my dog. The next thing we are going to put is our stockfish and the meat. Just to make sure you steam it very well. Are you seeing it? The next thing we are going to put is our crayfish. See my crayfish. You need to cover the pores and allow it to boil. Cover the pores and allow it to boil before one turn. Thank you. This is the best time to turn it. The best time to turn it. See, by looking at it, we are trying to bring the water leaf and the meat to be together. This is my knorr. This is my sauce. Like this, I'm going to be putting my ugu leaf. Remember what I put before was water leaf. This one is ugu leaf. So here I'm going to be turning the ugu leaf to mix up. Add my stock water. You see, as I put my snail, because I've already cooked the snail, you make the snail to go inside. Allow the snail to go inside the soup so that it will mix up with the soup. My vegetable soup is ready. See, my vegetable soup is ready. Aya, bring your plate. Everybody, bring your plate. My vegetable soup is ready. Everyone, come and join me. You see my snail. Food is ready. This is one of the best soup I like eating. Anytime I finish work. Thank you. Come and join me.